I got a package. I don't know if y'all that get anything from Amazon has gotten these new packages. Is it a little hard for y'all to open? Because it is for me sometimes. So, hi. Welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainment. If you've never been to my channel before, I'm CJ. I call my honeybees. That's my subscribers. So if you want to be a honeybee, slap that subscribe button. Is right here. It's over there. It's over there. It's everywhere. And enjoy. And I'm going to open this up and see what it is. I'm going to try to open this up and see what it is. Okay. There we go. Now, let's see what's in here. In here is a little box. It's a little box. It's a little box that I don't need the knife for. I don't need the knife. Okay, let's see what it is. Oh, I told y'all I love lights. Well, it's getting ready to be springtime. And somehow solar lights do not last around my house unless it's attached to my house. None on the trees. None of that lasts longer than 6 months. So I had the opportunity to get these lights. Up here, I will leave the lights that I do. I do string lights, all type of lights. But this is the first time that I am doing wire solar lights. And these lights is on a wire. And they're solar. Now, I've done the wire lights before, but not solar. So, of course, I'm going to read the instructions, get back with y'all, and then you're going to see this in the button. It's always in the back. And it does light. And that is the first. And then they have flashing. I'm pretty sure it's just 2. I'm used to chasing or whatever. But I figured maybe that's just a little too much. So I just got the basic on and off. Lights on. And it flashing. Okay. But these are going to go outdoors on something I have no idea yet. I decided to replace the lights on the tree that's in the front of my house. So, throw your likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of me and my things and my lights and stuff and things.